Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can connect two Nema 17 motors parallel to each other on RAM's 1.4 board. So on RAM's 1.4 board you can see on Z axis you have two connections for Nema 17 motors but only one connection for Z axis motor driver. So you can use two motors for the same motor driver but you will have to connect them parallelly to each other. So either you can connect the separate wiring of each motor to these 8 pins here. You can see here 4 pins are for one motor and the other 4 pins are for second motor. So if you want to use only 4 pins and you want to connect both motors still in parallel connection, then you will have to connect them through wiring. So let me show you how you can connect them with the wiring. So here you can see that I have connected two motors in parallel connection. So both motors should be same type, and after that you will have to connect the 4 wires of each motor with the 4 wires of other motor, but make sure you have to connect the same wire with the other motor. Like if you are connecting them in parallel, then you will have to connect A plus with A plus, A negative with A negative, and similarly B plus with B plus and B negative with B negative. So to make sure that you have connected them correct, so you can rotate one motor, so you will see the rotation in another motor. So you can see here when I am rotating one motor, the other motor is also rotating. So if I rotate this motor, you can see that motor is also rotating. So also you will feel the resistance in the rotation of motor after connecting them in parallel. Unlike normal Nema 17 motor, when you will rotate the normal motor, you will not feel any resistance. It will rotate smoothly. But when after connecting in parallel connection, when you will rotate one motor, then you will feel resistance and both motors will rotate in same direction. So this is how you can connect them in parallel connection. After that you will have only one port. So you can use this setup in normally Z axis when you want both motors to control from only one motor driver and also to have same motion in Z axis. So that's why we connect them in parallel. So I hope you have learned that how you can connect them in parallel. So if you still have any question, you can ask me in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.